So for today's video, I am going to be showing you my Pamper routine. I basically do this every night actually, minus a few of the steps. Like right now I am giving myself a manicure. So I've been deciding to skip on the press-on nails for probably about a month now, and I just got this nail polish from Essie. So I'm just painting my nails white, and of course I went in with my favorite cuticle oil first just to make my nails and skin nice and soft. Now moving on to my skincare. So this is actually my nightly skincare routine. I switched up a couple of the products because I did want to try out this cleansing balm from Good Molecules. I've been using their products a lot recently and I'm obsessed with them. And this made my skin so soft. So I went in with that to cleanse, and then I used my toner and went in with the rest of my products. And then the only extra thing that I did that I don't normally do is I use my little suction cup to massage my face, and I usually just do that on Pamper nights. I try to do it more often, but I usually don't remember to do it every single night. And I do this step after I put on my serums and my oil, especially my facial oil. The suction cup glides on a lot better that way, and then also I feel like it's not taking off my moisturizer, so I will do my moisturizer and my mask last. And this mask is amazing if you have dry skin. It's an overnight mask and it just leaves your skin so hydrated all throughout the night and in the morning. Okay, so before I hop into my bath and set that up, I'm going to exfoliate my skin. I do this every single time before I hop in the shower or have a bath. It's amazing. So yeah, it's just a dry brush, and you just go very lightly in circular motions on your skin and it exfoliates you. So it's great. And I obviously did it on the rest of my body, but I'm just showing you an example so I didn't have to take off all my clothes. And then setting up the bath, I didn't actually have any of my own bubble bath, but hey, I bought this for the unborn baby that I'm about to have, so I used that bubble bath. Then I put in some what is this? It's from So Luxury. It is their milk bath, and then I also put in a bath bomb. Enjoyed a relaxing bath before the rest of my night. Okay, now you are in the kitchen with me because we're gonna make our snacks. So this is a must have for me before bed, and while I watch my shows, I need my fruit. I've been obsessed with fruit lately, so I'm actually making 2 fruit bowls. One is going to be apples and bananas because I like to dip them in peanut butter. And yes, I do share an apple piece with my dog. He's too cute and he loves it. So that's the first bowl, and then the second bowl I like kind of citrusy and berry fruits, so I did oranges and strawberries today. Sometimes I do watermelon, and of course I always have to have a little bit of chocolate. Don't judge me, I am pregnant, so 2 bowls of fruit it is for me. So I just place those on my nightstand because I like to watch my shows in bed recently. It's just a lot more comfortable for me. I usually only liked going into bed when I actually went to sleep, but recently this is just way more comfortable. So I set up my bed, put my laptop and my headphones there, and then this amazing thing I actually found off of Amazon. So it's an ice pack and a heat pad in one, and you can just put it around your waist and it stays there because it's Velcro. So you don't have to worry about it sliding or moving while you're sitting down anywhere, and you can wear it while you're standing up too. It's a lifesaver, and it was only like $15. So I will link it below because it's great. And then I just set myself up in bed and I start watching my show. The show I'm watching right now is Dead to Me on Netflix. I watched the whole first season in like 2 days, and now I'm on the second season. And I always have to make sure that my diffuser is on. I like the red light, and yeah, then I turn it on. It makes a really nice soothing sound. And that is it for my Pamper routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!